Welcome back to the MixedSid channel. I hope you're all having an awesome Easter. It's going to say maybe in isolation, it's maybe very nice weather just to rub it in there that bit more, but today we're going to celebrate Easter with a nice simple Italian cocktail, which is an Americano, and it's quite a simple one to make really. It's just 3 parts, which is 45ml of Campari or 1.5 ounce, 45ml of sweet vermouth or again 1.5 ounce, and then just to top it up with soda water at the end. But this is built over the rocks and I will show you how to make an Americano. So first get your ice and just put it in your rocks glass. That'll do. Right, now we've filled our rocks glass full of ice. Now to put in the Campari. So 45ml or 1.5 ounce of Campari. So this is a typical Italian aperitif and bitter cocktail. 45ml. Next up is 45ml or 1.5 ounce of sweet vermouth. And now just to top it up with soda water. So just a tiny bit, so I don't want to overdo it. So I feel like it ruins the drink, the bitter taste for putting too much soda water. Right, now I'm going to just finish it off with an orange peel. There we go, not perfect. Beautiful. There we go, nice and simple to make, the Americano. But I must say, thank you for all the support so far. We're on 274 subs. We are trying to get to 500 before the year's out, which is an ambitious goal, I know, but thank you for all the support over Easter and have a nice Easter. But for the Americano, how does it taste? Ah, beautiful. I'm just going to say, you either hate the Italian style of cocktail or you love it, the bitter taste. It's very bitter, especially with the Campari that gives it that typical Italian taste. Because it's beautiful. The colour Aperitivo, or in Italy they call it aperitif. What they do, they have these types of cocktails with like snacks, and that's what it's like an appetizer. That's where it gets its name from, as an appetizer. But there you go, that is how you make the simple but a very effective bitter taste Americano. Beautiful. So, but that is all for now. Hope you're all staying safe and have a very nice Easter. And I will see you for the next cocktail video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as I really do appreciate support, and leave the comments as well. So I do like to read what everyone's putting. So let me know your thoughts and any ideas. So thank you for that. Well, that's all for now. Have a nice day. Cheers.